retired but still wired. What's that all about? Well, I'm here to tell you. When you think about retirement, do you think about the guy, old guy sitting in his lazy boy and he kind of just slides down in it and sits there and watches TV all day and stuff like that, and it's got him a Coke next to him and a bag of chips, and that's what he does. I mean, that's what you do in retirement. And but I've taken a different look at it, and I'm fixing to hit 70. Yep, that's right. This good looking thing is fixed to be 70. So, whatever. I've taken a different look at it, and I'm going to do a lot of other things, as in hiking, which I've been doing for the last 3 years, 4 years, something like that. I've hiked the Appalachian Trail for 77 miles, section hiked it, and the longest hike we did was 15.3 miles, and it was a booger. And now we're working on the Bentley McKay. We have a Facebook group. I will post that down the line, and you can hike with us, whatever. Also, we got gardening. I've got a large garden. Last year I had 18 tomato plants, and I'm gonna have more this year. Um, Already got plants in the ground and coming up, and more to go in the ground. And my garden is like 40 feet by 60 feet. And I will put another thing that I will be doing is videography. I like to take videos, and I like to edit them, and I like to post them. So I'll post some gardening videos and hows and whys. And like I said, we have a gardening group on Facebook as well. I like groups. Can I say? Cooking. Yeah, I spent 31 years in commercial kitchens. I'm a certified chef de cuisine, or I was. Certification ran out, but I know in my mind I'm still a certified chef de cuisine. And I will be posting videos of some recipes, and you can ask questions, and we'll see how it goes. Photography. After that 31 years in the kitchen, I decided to go back to school. I went to Gwinnett Technical College in Lawrenceville, Georgia for 2 years. And I got my diploma in commercial photography. Now I'm a commercial photographer. Uh, been doing a lot of event photography, and I'm transitioning into more landscaping, shooting birds, stuff like that. And we'll have videos on that and show you a lot of pictures. Also, videography, as I once already stated, I will be posting videos on everything we do, and or everything I do. And if I'm the only one here, who knows? Could be one, could be 1,000. Who knows? And who cares? It's not about viewers. It's not about making money. It's just I like. I wanted to do a channel, and this is what I'm gonna do, and show you some different aspects of retirement, other than sitting in your lazy boy eating your popcorn and drinking your soda all day. You need to get out there and do something. And if I can help somebody do that and get them off their butt, I'm all for it. But we will just look forward to that. But this is kind of the intro to let you know what's coming up. And I'll be posting a home here once a week, same time, same day. Hadn't figured out what time and what day, but I will do it soon. Look forward to seeing you here.